This spare tire is really dirty, and I've used this product for years. Works really well. But the squirter, it comes with a squirter, but it doesn't work. I've had this for quite a while. So I'm going to pour some on a wet sponge. And then just wipe it on all the way around the face of the tire. And I'm going to let that sit for 5 minutes and do its work. It's been 5 minutes. I've wet this pretty stiff bristled brush. Even some of that blue protectant they put on tires when they're new, you know, that's going to come off. But I'm just taking the sponge now, getting it real nice and wet. And go over to swipe off all of that cleaner. And I'll let that dry. And I'm going to wipe this off with a microfiber towel. Things seem to get, when you're washing, wiping is a very important part of it. It just removes any residual that's left that didn't get wiped off when in the washing process. So look at how dirty the rag is. This tire was filthy, so I'll let it dry. And it's dry, but you can still see that blue protective. And I think what's actually happened has been on here so long that it's actually staying the tires. But I'm going to do is repeat the process and see how it turns out. But so I'm going to put some more Wesley's tire bleach on here. Generally tires clean up better than this, but they aren't as dirty as this one is either though, so that might be part of the problem. I don't think I've ever repeated this process before. They usually turn out really good the first time. I'll let that sit. Now we'll scrub it. It's been 5 minutes, so I'm gonna wet the scrub brush. Move it in a circular pattern. Tends to get the best cleaning. I'm gonna scrub them some more, rinse it off, let it dry. I repeated the process and they're a little better. There's still a little bit of blue showing here. Like I say, I think what's happened now is that it's actually stained the rubber and really hard to get off, but far cry from what it was. Sure, and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.